is Ryan, creator of Kidz Groove. Today I'm going to teach you guys the choreo for Colors by Jason Derulo. Prepare your feet wide like this. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go 1, 2, look at your hands, reach up, 3, 4, bounce, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, you're going to start with your head, you're going to go to the right. From here, you're going to cross this leg in front of you, and then you're going to turn, and then you're going to show your muscles. After this, you're going to step slowly, going back. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 2 counts, and this is 7, 8. You go boom, boom, ha. Okay, and then you pull yourself down. Keep that same level. You're going to go to the other side. You're going to slowly stand up, and you're going to go ha, 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 boom. And then from here, you just go swing, swing. We do it again. Boom, boom, ha. Go down low, but this time you're going to go ha, ha, boom. Turn it all the way.
Oh, what a feeling. Look what we've overcome. Oh, I'm gonna wave my flag. Count all the reasons. We are the champions. Ain't no turning back. Saying, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Saying, oh, we all together saying
The way, and then you're just gonna party. So what I usually do is I do step, 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 step. But because the music is really quick, you could just kind of jump into it. Come now, 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 now. So you're gonna end with the feet closed, and then you're gonna open. Okay, elbows up, close, open, close, and then you're gonna roll while you're stepping forward. Step forward, then step to the back, do it again. Ha, boom, ha. Reach down, and we're gonna pop up 2 times like this. Pop, pop, and then the 3rd time, we're gonna hold on to our shoulder right here, and then we're just gonna twist, boom, while your hands are like reaching out for the audience. From here, it's gonna say hands up for your colors. While you're throwing something invisible up in the air, this leg is gonna go out and kick, okay? So it's gonna look like this. Boom. And then you're gonna follow it. Hands up for your colors.
look how far we come now. There's beauty in our unity. I'm ready. We still got a way. Look how far we come now. Hands up for your color.
Go low. Oh. Okay. The counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you land on 4. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of like a guitar. So when you go, so it goes down, 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 down. The accent goes down. Whenever you go down, your preparation should be up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, just add your own groove to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we are going to go 1, 2. This is for the girls. You can move your hips more. Push it out and then drop and then go to the other side. It's kind of like you're making a letter U. And then you can put your hands here. So you go 1, 2, 3, close on 4, 5, 6, 7, close on 8. Now for the boys, I need you guys to just bend your knees and then lean to the front a little bit, and then you can go, and then you can put your hands like right here. And if the boys can do this, it's gonna be really cool too. Just find your own groove where you're really comfortable with it, okay? So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the part where you party. Yes, and you say hey, hey. So here we go, yo. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can jump if you want, do whatever, okay, but you're gonna go to the side. And then you're gonna go to the front, party to the people in the front. And then you're gonna go back. And then there's gonna be a break. It might sound like the song is over, but it's not, okay? So again, it goes, boom. Hands up for your colors. So throw it up on the air. Hands up for your colors. Do it again. Oh, oh, oh. That's 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. And then that last part says, represent your country. Okay, so you're just going to freestyle that, going to the middle, boom, boom, whatever your moves are. If you're on this side of the stage or the group, you just make your way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pose. Hit a pose. Doesn't have to be down here. If you're in the back, you should be standing up. Or if you're on the side, make sure it's big, okay? Let's try the music. And that was it, guys. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Something invisible up in the air and you're looking at it, this leg is gonna, excuse me.